What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at NIO stock, and let's do the price action analysis. Let's identify, is NIO stock still bullish for this coming week, and how things are looking like as in the price action and the structure, and what can we be expecting out of it, because we are seeing some red days coming in on this thing from last pretty much whole week. We were just selling off. Is that something we should be worried about, or are we still in that uptrend that we started to talk about as soon as NIO broke out of $4.23? We'll talk about all of that, guys, in this video. I'll take you over a couple of articles as well, and then we'll do the technical. So with that, hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Okay. So the first thing I want to go over is NIO is officially launching their Onvo brand on May 15th, debuting model that is to take on Tesla Model Y. So we'll see how NIO reacts after that, May 15th. So NIO will officially launch on May 15th with the first model competing Tesla's Model Y. NIO's second brand, Onvo, will be, yeah, it's the same thing. Onvo first model, the Onvo L60, will take on the, sure, yeah guys, come on. It's the same thing they're repeating. The Onvo L60 will redefine the standard. All right, great. The Model Y is one of the best-selling SUVs, selling tens of thousands, and currently starts at RMB 249,900. The Onvo brand will accelerate, okay, blah, blah, blah. Cost of Onvo's first model will be about 10% cheaper than that of Tesla Model Y. So, yeah. Guys, is Model Y the cheapest on Tesla or Model 3? I think it's Model 3 that's the cheapest, right? I'm not asking, I'm just telling, but anyways, it's not a cheaper model though, this NIO Onvo brand, but hey, they still say it's going to be 10% cheaper and it's going to compete with Tesla. We'll see how things goes, but that's that, okay? On the NIO side of the things. All right, as they're launching this brand, we'll see how things goes. I don't know how many deliveries they'll do in the first month or whatever, but we'll see as the data comes out of it. But then also we have is US ready to impose new tariffs on China's EVs, solar sectors could cause more severe damage than last trade war. Now here's the thing, NIO doesn't sell in the US. Not Tesla, sorry guys, Tesla imports from China, I think, but I'm not sure if the productions that Tesla does in China, I think those models are only sold in China and Europe. I don't think Tesla sells those vehicles in US from China, but I think they do part of that. So I'm not sure if this affects Tesla. Also, it only affects the China's EVs especially, right? But NIO doesn't sell in China, and I don't think there's Xpeng and BYD. Well, yeah, so I have, well, yeah, BYD is a separate case. They have their, not just, from one sector, they have their different product lines as well. But yeah, I don't think NIO, we have to take this into that much account. Yeah, but anyways, here's another article on that. Tesla, BYD, NIO are in crossfire. Report says Biden will unveil tariffs on China EVs. President Joe Biden will announce updates. The decision will have an impact on Tesla. Okay, so Tesla does have some, things coming from China. The US firm that both makes sells cars in China as well as its Chinese rival BYD and NIO. Chip makers include, but anyways guys, I don't think this affects NIO directly because NIO is not selling in US right now. So anyways, let's come back to the technicals. Let's talk about that. So where did we leave the last time NIO was here, guys? I was talking about we were in the third booster stage already, above $5.32. I started covering NIO again when it started to break the structure back to the upside, and said that, guys, it's becoming bullish because we broke the structure and are above $4.23, thus making it in an uptrend. I provided these three launch stages. First one was until the level of $4.79. We got out of it. We got through the second stage as well. That was $5.32. And then this was the third stage of until $6.35. And then we had this huge resistance at the level of $6.34 to $7. And why so? Because This will supposedly will change the structure for the long term on NIO, that we need to get out of it into the full bull trend, right? That's what I was talking about. And you can see that's where we are right now, selling off and rejecting as well. Not precisely there, but you can see the effect of that, right? The presence, just the presence of that strong resistance is bringing back the sellers. But wait, hear me out. And yes, we are closing below the, still rejecting at that weekly 20 moving average as well. Now here's the possibility that NIO can do for us. On, let's start off with the weekly interval here. A possibility of inverted head and shoulder. Now to confirm that, we don't want to see NIO break below $4.79 now next coming week, and we want to see next week either stay around here where the price is right now. If we can stay above $5.32, that's great. And eventually we want to see NIO break above $5.70 and close a week green like this. That will start to form the inverted head and shoulder, and then we definitely have to get out of the $6.34 to the $7 range resistance, because that will fully confirm that NIO is going up then, because inverted head and shoulder is confirmed. That's a bullish reversal signal already back to the upside, and NIO will also get above the full long-term downtrend that NIO is in, right? Look at it. $7 double bottom resistance, right? Flush. And then if we can get back above it, you can see that we are already inverted head and shoulder and reversed, and also took out that huge resistance of the longer term downward pressure that we are in, and then NIO will become longer term bullish to the upside. Let's see, hoping that Onvo brand will bring that to NIO, this price action catalyst as well. So let's go back to the daily interval now. And so yeah, guys, you definitely don't want to see NIO break below 50. Let's keep it simple, 50 days and 20 days moving average. We don't want to see NIO break below that, and $4.78. We want to stay above that. If we can, as I say, yeah, we want to close weeks above these resistance levels. We want to stay in the third launch stage, which is above $5.29 or $5.32. That's very important for us. As for what the price action is telling me right now, it's not in an uptrend. Unfortunately, it's not. If we want to become on an uptrend on Monday, we want to close above $5.31. That's what will put NIO back in the uptrend. Let's go to the 4 hours interval. Things will get much more clear over there to you guys. So you can see that we were in higher highs, higher lows, but then unfortunately we formed a intraday head and shoulder, and we are in lower highs, lower lows. So if NIO wants to change the structure again on Monday, it needs to get above $5.31, and that will start to make structure again continue as back. It will start to turn into bullish side. Taking a look at hourly interval as well, it's another critical point where we want to see NIO hold. That is 200 hours moving average, because if we lose it, that's a problem. That's a sentiment shift as well. It's very important for NIO to stay above 200 hours moving average and get above $5.31. Accordingly, plays can be taken, but right now NIO intradays is in the downside. If we lose 200 hours moving average, we have a potential of coming down to $4.78. If we can regain back above $5.30, that's an awesome move already, and then we are looking the levels to the upside, because that's a trend change and the direction change on NIO. Back again intraday as well to the upside. All right, cool. Okie dokie. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.